Hi guys, in this episode I'm going to talk about how you can lock and unlock your screen rotation on your iPhone. So what happens? Let's talk about this with an example. If you take a picture like so, I'm gonna open up my camera right here. Let's say I want to take a picture of this item right here, and by mistake I take the picture like so on sideways. I'm gonna click my photos right here, scroll down, here's a picture. So as you can see, it's sideways, and if I want to read the text and I flip my phone like so, as you can see, it continues to be sideways. So what can we do? Just flip it around like this. We can scroll from the top right corner of our screen like so. And as you can see, this icon right here, it represents lock screen. Lock screen in the lock rotation. So we're going to click on that like so, indicating that it's on. We're gonna swipe up from the bottom of our screen to go back. And here's a picture. Now I'm going to flip it sideways again to the right, and it now works. It's probably not showing up on your screen right now, but if you flip your phone, it's not going to turn. And that's what we want. This way we can read what's on the text. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more tips.